Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bank of America online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.bankofamerica.com. After you come across this official page, click on the login option in the top section of your screen. Then click on Continue to Login option. Now in this login portal, you'll have to enter your user ID associated with your account and a valid password. If you want your device to remember your ID, then click on the button that says Save ID. But if you don't want it, then click on the button once again. If you do not remember your ID or password, then you can click on Forgot ID/password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Enroll link. Finally, after entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Bank of America online banking account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.